Hey guys, welcome to the bathroom floor where it feels like it's 90 degrees in here. I've been told a lot that I look a bit like Christina Ricci, so I thought that I would do a makeup look from Buffalo 66 because her hair looked pretty similar to mine as far as like length and color, so I figured I'd do that. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like here. Did I insert it yet? Anyway, I'm just gonna start out with some Dermical. It's been through some shit. I use it pretty often. It is like very heavy, but if you use like a light amount of it, it's not that bad. Just gonna blend that out. Her makeup look is just like blue eyeshadow with like kind of like a peachy colored lip, and it's like glossy. Once you have that down, I normally powder it, otherwise you're gonna feel like a greasy bitch for the rest of the day. Nobody likes a greasy bitch. I start with my eyes because those will start creasing if you don't. Anyway, all this part is boring. I'm going to skip past it and then we'll move on to the eyes. We're doing an inspired look. I can't be her. That would be weird. Okay, just gonna start lightly adding the shade to my crease. We're gonna be building it up because in the picture she seems to have it very blue. I have like slightly hooded eyes, so when I'm doing it like this it looks normal, and then I open my eye and it's like, the fuck just happened? And bring it slightly higher over the crease than you would expect. Still looks like shit. Hang on. Her eyeshadow is kind of like a rounded shape. It doesn't really come out like that. We're gonna leave it a little lighter in the corner there because we're gonna be adding like shimmery white or silverish eyeshadow. I'm gonna take some blue onto this splatter brush so I can just pack in the color onto my lid like so. Anyway, let's do the other eye. So she also seems to have like a bit of sparkle like on her lid on top of the blue. Just keep adding in layers, you know? Now I'm gonna do blue on the lower lash line because that's how she has it. You have to make your eyes look very round like a little puppy dog. Okay, so I'm having trouble with this not blending properly. I'm not sure why. I think it's probably the eyeshadow because I've had this eyeshadow for a bit, but we're just gonna cover that up and pretend like it never happened. Cool. I'm not gonna use liquid eyeliner. Instead, I'm going to apply a pencil liner to a brush. I'm going to line the top of it. We're not gonna like wing it out or anything. We might wing it out a bit downward because that's how it looks like hers are. I went too far. This poor eye. I keep redoing it. If you're not redoing your eyeshadow a million times, you're not doing it right. Ow. What a shit show. And just sat on all my makeup. Just having a bad time. Okay, so basically she has like a peachy, glossy, pouty thing going on. Okay, so I did the hair, and I think that's pretty good. It like kind of adds like a rounded face effect. Let me try and get some clips and some better lighting.